All right, so the good news is today's module will be relatively short and I think pretty easy for most of you. Uh, However great the temptation may be to skip modules in this class, um, I'm going to reinforce the message I've been trying to give you since the beginning, which is it's way better to do them in order, even if you're struggling with an earlier one. And the reason for that is because things build on each other. And this module, like module 10, is going to recycle some code that you've done already. And if you've written that code well and you finished the previous assignments, this is going to take you very little time to accomplish.